Assalamu alaikum, sixth graders. Today we are going to make a quick revision about what is a cell and the levels of organization. Here you are going to have some questions or exercises that are important in this lesson. First of all, if we want to answer the following question, what is a cell? It is the basic unit of all living things. Basic unit means it is the base, the most important thing in all living things. Living things, we mean humans, we mean bacteria, plants, animals, mushrooms, all these are living things. So a cell is the basic unit of all living things. Define the following words, structural and functional. The definition of a cell says that it is the structural and the functional unit of all living things. Structural means that all living things are made up of cells. This is the meaning of structural, while functional means all functions of the body are done by cells. So, the definition or the scientific definition of a cell that it is the structural and functional unit of all living things. This means that structural means that all living things are made up of cells. As I told you before, living things we mean humans, plants, animals, bacteria, mushrooms, all these living things are made up of cells. Functional unit means that all the functions of the body or of the organism are done by cells. Now, indicate the two kinds of cells. As I told you before, we have two main kinds of cells. We have animal cell and the plant cell. I want to tell you that the cells of the humans are just like the cells of an animal, but the plant cell is different. Now, indicate the location of. These are some kinds of cells that are found in the body. We have nerve cell, skin cell, bone cell, and the blood cell. Now we have to indicate. Indicate, as we mentioned before, means name. I have to name. The location means the place of these cells. Where are they found? Nerve cell is found in the brain, skin cell is found in the skin, blood cell is located in the blood, and bone cell is located in the bones. So, these cells are different kinds of cells that are found in the body of an organism, but they have different functions and different locations. The nerve cell is located in the brain, the skin cell is located in the skin, the blood cell is located in the blood, and bone cell is located in the bones. Another question we have it specify why we have different kinds of cells in our body. As we mentioned in the previous question, there are different kinds of cells in the body of an organism. Now we have to mention why. We have to specify why we have different kinds of cells in our body, not similar kinds of cells in all the body. This is because every organ performs different function. As you know, an organ is made up of cells and every organ has a different function. So it's a normal situation that every organ is made up of different kinds of cells because it performs different function. The brain, for example, has different function from the nose, from the heart, from the lungs, from the bones. Each organ in your body has its own function. So it is made up of a different kind of cell from the other organs. Now, name three organs. We have many organs in the body. In this question, they are asking us to name three organs. We have the brain, the stomach, the lungs, the intestine, the heart, the eye, the nose. Many organs are found in your body. Here we have to name three organs. Now, list the five levels of organization. Organization means organization way of the human body or the body of an organism, how it is organized. There are 5 levels of organization. The first one is the cell, group of similar cells having the same shape or similar shape make a tissue. A group of different tissues perform a similar function, make an organ. A group of different organs have a common function, they make a system. And the group of different systems have different functions, make an organism. So these are the 5 levels of organization in an organism, not only in the human body. In an organism, I mean in a living thing. Cell, then group of cells make a tissue, group of tissues make an organ, group of organs make a system, and the group of systems make an organism. I will repeat that: group of similar cells having similar shape performing the same function make a tissue. Group of different tissues performing a similar function make an organ, and the group of different organs having or performing a common function they make a system. Group of different systems performing different functions make an organism. Now, choose the correct answer. A tissue is made up of group of cells, group of organs, group of systems. That's true. A tissue is made up of a group of cells. So the answer is A, group of cells. Another question. An organ is made up of group of cells, group of tissues, or a group of systems. An organ, as we know, is made up of a group of tissues. So the answer is B, group of tissues. Now, a system is made up of group of cells, group of tissues, or a group of organs. In the system, there are different organs. There are many organs. So a system is made up of a group of organs. Now, an organism, which we mean by it a living thing, is made up of group of systems, group of tissues, or a group of organs. Okay, an organism is made up of a group of systems that having different functions. Now we have to say true or false. If the sentence is correct, we say true. If it is wrong, we say false. Nerve tissue is made of nerve and muscle cells. If you still remember, we said that a tissue is made up of similar cells performing similar function. So this sentence is false because they said that a nerve tissue is made of nerve and muscle cell. Nerve and muscle cell are two different kinds of cells. So this is impossible. The nerve tissue is made up of nerve cells only. Okay, so this number one is false. If I want to correct it, it's going to be nerve tissue is made of nerve cells. Number two, tissue is made of cells that are similar in shape and function. That's true. As we mentioned before, a tissue is made of cells that are similar in shape and function. Yani similar kind of cells having or performing a similar function.